What's up everyone, my name's Dev Dooley and welcome to another episode of SuperPhone Weekly. This week we're going to be discussing how to use your SuperPhone as an artist, so let's jump right into it. Now the first thing you need to do as an artist is learn how to convert your social following. We briefly touched on this last week, but basically what you need to do is make sure that all of your socials contain your phone number and you are actively pushing out your phone number through your social channels so that way your followers, fans, and subscribers can have a direct text message gateway to you. Now the second thing that I suggest you do as an artist is actually have some type of merch or a Shopify store to be able to sell through. I think that merchandise is one of those things that a lot of people leave out. They don't necessarily think that there are people out there who would want to buy from them, and they kind of just get in their own way. But I think that even having like a $20 t-shirt or $25 t-shirt, maybe hats, pins, or little accessories like that definitely go a long way with helping you make money through your SuperPhone, and they will definitely help you build your list because people will text in to get a direct link back to purchase from you. So the third best way to use SuperPhone as an artist, in my opinion, is to make sure that you are actually showcasing your music and your content exclusively through your SuperPhone. So ask people to text in for a quick snippet of a song or to hear or see the latest music video that you may have dropped. And also make sure that you have your music available on your website to be purchased, whether that be a $1 download, a $5 download, or a $10 album download. And even though it may even still be on streaming services, make sure that you don't rid yourself of that stream of income because there are people who actually want to spend money with you and support you. So the fourth way that I feel like people should be using their SuperPhone is just to sell VIP experiences. So if you are an artist who actually does tours and you would like to sell meet and greets or backstage passes, this is a great way to get people to text in and win an exclusive experience with you. As well as, let's say you wanted to go to Six Flags and invite 2 fans with you. That's a great way to give a very intimate experience to a fan of yours, and VIP experiences is something that you can add on to your Shopify for people to purchase, or you can do it one-off by just sending text directly to who you would like it to go to. All right, so the fifth tip that I have for you guys is basically to use the previous 4 tips that I've given to create a complete strategy around how you are going to use your SuperPhone. A lot of people actually come into it and they just have one idea and they want to execute that. But if you have 4 ideas in place over the span of 6 months or however long you set it to be, then you are really setting yourself up for success and guaranteeing that you will maximize the usage of your fan base and subscribers as they come in. All right guys, so that has been 5 tips on how you should use your SuperPhone as an artist. And if you have any more questions or concerns, make sure that you drop a comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you are on YouTube right now. And until next week, my name is Dev Dooley. Peace out.